Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to import Google Contacts to iPhone. First of all, open the Safari browser or any other browser on your phone. Search for gmail.com and see if you can access your Google account from here. If not, then you have to search for accounts.google.com.pk in your search bar. Now click on the dotted box next to your profile picture in the top right corner. Now go into your contacts. Click on the download option next to the three dots. Choose the V card for iOS contacts and then click on Export. After that, you can see that the new contact has been added to your phone. You can make changes by clicking on Create New Contact. Now go back and open the Contacts app on your phone. Search for the contact which you just added. As you can see, now the contact is available in your Contacts app. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.